Question number 2, practice set 4.3. Just take out textbook page number 70. Question number 2, what is given in the question number 2? If 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 upon 7. Then find the values of the following ratios. Now first ratio is a upon b. We have to find out value of this ratio. Now what is given into the example? That is 15a square 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 upon 7. So with the help of this we have to find out value of a upon b. Now we'll apply componendo and dividend property. So it becomes this 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 upon 7. We'll apply componendo and dividend property. So it becomes 15a square plus 4b square plus 15a square minus 4b square upon 15a square plus 4b square minus 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 plus 7 and 47 minus 7. Now we have to simplify this. So it becomes 15a square plus 4b square plus 15a square minus 4b square upon 15a square plus 4b square. This minus 15a square, this minus minus becomes plus, so plus 4 square. Now 47 plus 7 becomes 54 and 47 minus 7 is 40. Now here this 4b square plus and minus get cancelled. Here 15a square, 15a square plus minus plus 15a square and minus 15 square get cancelled. Now here 15a square plus 15a square becomes 30a square upon 4b square plus 4b square is 8b square is equal to 54 upon 40. Okay, now we have to find out value of a. So here we'll multiply by 8 upon 30 so that 30 and 8 get cancelled. We'll multiply both the sides by 8 upon 30. So it becomes 30a square upon 8b square into 8 upon 30 is equal to 54 upon 40 into 8 upon 30. Okay. 8 gets cancelled, 30 gets cancelled. Simplify this. 8 1 is 8, 8 5 is 40, 6 5 is 40, 6 9 is 54. Okay, now here a square upon b square remains, and here 9 upon 5 5 is 25. We have got a square upon b square as 9 upon 25. Now we'll simplify this. We'll take square root of this. So it becomes a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay. Take square. Okay. So we have got a upon b is 3 upon 5. That is the ratio. A upon B is equal to 3s to 5. Just go through this. If you want, you can write down in your notebook. Now we will move towards second example of question number 2. What is given into the example, what we have to find out is 7a minus 3b plus, 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b. This ratio we have to find out. Okay, now we have find out the value of a upon b, that is ratio a upon b. We have got 3 upon 5. Okay, now look at towards the example. 7 with a and 3 with b. So we'll here multiply both the sides by 7 upon 3. So here a upon b into 7 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 5 into 7 upon 3. Here it becomes 7a upon 3b. This 3 gets cancelled. So here 7 upon 5. Okay, now we'll apply componendo and dividendo property. So by componendo and dividendo, it becomes 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equal to 7 plus 5 upon 7 minus 5. So 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equal to 7 plus 5 is 12 and 7 minus 5 is 2. Here we can simplify 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. Okay, so we have got 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is 6 upon 1. But our question is 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b. Okay, this ratio we have to find out. So what we'll do, we'll apply property of invertendo. So by invertendo, 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b is equal to 1 upon 6. So we have got ratio of 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b as 1 as to 6. Just go through this. Okay, we'll move towards next example. That is third example of question number 2. What is third example? B square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. Now we have to find out ratio for this. We are having values of a and b, that is a upon b is 3 upon 5. Okay. Now here you can see into the example that square is given. B square, a square. So we'll square these terms. Square both the sides. So it becomes a square upon b square is equal to 3 square upon 5 square. A square upon b square, 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25. Now here you can see that 2 is with a square. So we'll multiply both the sides by 2. So a square upon b square into 2 and 9 upon 25 into 2. So it becomes 2a square upon b square is equal to 18 upon 25. Okay. Now we can see here b square minus 2a square is there. So here we'll apply the property of invertendo. We'll invert the given term. So apply the property of invertendo. So it becomes b square upon 2a square is equal to 25 upon 80. Now we'll apply the property of componendo and dividendo. So by componendo and dividendo, it becomes b square plus 2a square b square minus 2a square is equal to 25 plus 80 upon 25 plus minus 80. So b square plus 2a square upon b square minus 2a square is 25 plus 18 is 43 and 25 minus 18 is 7. Okay. Now we can see here we have got b square plus 2a square. Here we have to find out ratio for b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. So here we'll apply the property of inverted. So by inverted b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square is equal to 7 upon 43. So we have got ratio of b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square is 7s to 43. This is our answer. Just go through this. Now we'll move towards fourth example of question number 2. What is given into the fourth example? B cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. We have to find out ratio for this. We'll write the values of a and b. That is a upon b is 3 upon 5. Now into the example, cube we have to find out. So we'll cube these terms. So a cube upon b cube, 3 cube upon 5 cube. A cube upon b cube, cube of 3 is 27 and cube of 5 is 125. Okay. Now here you can see into the example that b cube is there. So we'll apply the property of inverted. So by inverted, b cube upon a cube is equal to 125 upon 27. Now we'll multiply both the sides by 2, 1 by 2. Why? Because here you can see that 2 is there with a cube. So b cube upon a cube into 1 by 2 is equal to 125 upon 27 into 1 by 2. So we'll get here b cube upon 2a cube is equal to 125 upon 54. Now Now here we'll apply the property of componendo and dividend. So it becomes b cube plus 2a cube upon b cube minus 2a cube, 125 plus 54 upon 125 minus 54. Okay, so b cube plus 2a cube upon b, b cube minus 2a cube is equal to 125 plus 54 is 179, and 125 minus 54 is 71. Okay, now we'll apply the property of invertendo. By invertendo becomes b cube plus, sorry, b cube what is given, what we have got, b cube plus 2a cube, so it becomes b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a is equal to 71 upon 179. Okay, so we have got the ratio as 71 to 179. Let's go through this. Now we'll move towards question number 3 of practice set 4.3. What is given into the question number 3? If 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b is equal to 4 upon 3, then find the value of the ratio 3a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square. Now what is given into the question? 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b is equal to 4 upon 3. This is given. Now here we'll apply componendo and dividendo property. That will get the value of a and b. So here 3a plus 7b plus 3a minus 7b upon 3a plus 7b minus 3a minus 7b. Here 4 plus 3 is 4 minus 3. To simplify this, 3a plus 7b plus 3a minus 7b upon 3a plus 7b minus 3a. This minus minus becomes plus 7b. 4 and 3 7 and 4 minus 3 is 1. Now here minus 7b plus 7b cancel. Then here plus 3a and minus 3a get cancelled. So this becomes 3a plus 3a, 6a and 7b plus 7b is 14b is equal to 7 upon 1. We'll multiply both the sides by 14 upon 6, so that we'll get the values of a and b here. Multiply both sides by 14 upon 6. So 6a upon 14b into 14 upon 6 is equal to 7 upon 1 into 14 upon 6. This gets cancelled here. 14, 14 gets cancelled. So a upon b is equal. We'll simplify here. 3 to the 6, 7. So 7 7 the 49 upon 6. We have got values of a and b as 49 upon 6. Now into the example, we have to find out ratio for 3a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square. So we'll square these terms. Square both the sides. So a square upon b square is equal to 49 square upon 3 square. Okay. So here a square upon b square is equal to square of 49 is 2401. Square of 3 is 9. Now here we'll multiply both the sides by 3 upon 7. Why? Because in our example, it we have to find out 3a square minus 7b square. So we'll multiply both the sides by 3 upon 7. It becomes a square upon b square into 3 upon 7 is equal to 2401 upon 9 into 3 upon 7. Okay. Just simplify this. 3a square upon 7b square. Here we can simplify 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. We can divide this term by 7. So 7 ones are 7. And if we'll divide 2401 by 7, then it becomes 343. Okay, so we have got 343 upon 3. Now we'll apply the property of componendo and dividendo here. So 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square, 343 plus 3 and 343 minus 3. Okay. Now here 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square is equal to 343 plus 3, 346, 343 minus 3, 340. You can divide these terms by 2. So it becomes 173 upon 17. Okay. Now we apply the property of invertendo. It becomes 3a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square is equal to 170 upon 173. This is our answer. The ratio is 170 as to 173. Little bit lengthy, but it's very easy. Just go through this. First, we have to find out the value of A and B, and then we have to find out the given ratio. We'll move towards question number 4 of practice set 4.3. Question 4 is solve the following equations. First one is x square plus 12x minus 20 upon 3x minus 5 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 upon 2x plus 3. Now in this example, you can see that these terms are like terms. If we'll multiply these terms, then it becomes 12x minus 20. Okay, so we'll multiply this by 4. So it becomes 12x and this 5 becomes 20. Here also 8x plus 12 is somewhat similar to 2x plus 3. Now we'll multiply it by 4. So it becomes 8x plus 12. Okay, so first we'll multiply both the sides by 1 by 4. Square plus 12x upon 3x minus 5 into 1 by 4. X square plus 8x plus 12 upon 2x plus 3 into 1 by 4. So it becomes x square plus 12x minus 20 upon this becomes 12x minus 20. X square plus 8x plus 12 upon multiply this with 4. So 8x plus 12. Okay. I will apply the property of dividendo here. So it becomes x square plus 12x minus 20 is minus 12x minus 20 upon 12x minus 20 is equal to, for this also, it becomes x square plus 8x plus 12 minus 8x plus 12 upon 8x plus 12. I'll simplify this. It becomes x square plus 12x minus 20 minus 12x. We'll remove the bracket. Minus minus becomes plus. So 20 becomes plus upon 12x minus 20. For this also we'll remove the bracket. We'll simplify this. So it becomes x square plus 8x plus 12 minus 8x minus plus becomes minus 12 upon 8x plus 12. Okay. Now here plus 12x minus 12x cancel, plus 20 minus 20 cancel. Here also plus 8x minus 8x plus 12 and minus 12 get cancelled. So it becomes x square upon 12x minus 20 is equal to, here also x square remains 8x plus 12. Okay. is equal to 0, that is, therefore x is equal to 0 is the solution of this given equation. If x is not equal to 0, then we'll divide both the sides by x square so that it becomes, divide both sides by x square. So it becomes x square upon 12x minus 20 is equal to x square upon 8x plus 12. So this x square gets cancelled if we divide it by x square. So what is remains here? 12x minus 20 is equal to 8x plus 12 after dividing both the sides by x square. Now we'll simplify this. What is 12x minus 20 is equal to 8x plus 12 we have got. So 12x, this 8x becomes minus 8x here. 12 plus this minus 20 becomes plus 20 here. Okay. Now 12x minus 8x becomes 4x and 12 plus 20 becomes 32. Just simplify this. This 4 divides here. Okay. So 4 8 plus 32. So we have got value of x as 8. Okay. So here the value of x is 0 or x, or x is equal to 8. This is the solution of the given equation. That is the value of x. Just go through this. This is 3 marks question. We'll take one more example of this question. That is second one. What is second example? 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 5x square minus 25x plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 3 upon x minus 5. Okay, we'll apply here first property of alternando. So apply alternando. It becomes 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to 5x square minus 25x plus 12 upon x minus 5. Now here we can see that 15x plus 63 and 25x plus 12. If we multiply both the sides by 5x, 1 upon 5x, then we'll get somewhat like terms here. So we'll multiply both the sides by 1 upon 5x. 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 2x plus 3 into upon 5x, 5x square minus 25x plus 12 upon x minus 5 into 1 upon 5. Okay, so it becomes 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon, we multiply this with 5x, so it becomes 5x into 2x, 10x square plus 5x into 3, 15x is equal to 5x square minus 25x plus 12 upon x minus 5 will multiply with 5x. So it becomes 5x square minus 25x. Now we'll apply the property of dividendo. Ten x square plus 15x plus 63 minus 10x square plus 15x upon 10x square plus 15x is equal to, here also we'll apply the same, 5x square minus 25x plus 12 minus 5x square minus 25x upon 5x square minus 25x. We'll simplify this bracket. It becomes 10x square plus 15x plus 63 minus 10x square. This minus plus becomes minus 15x upon 10x square plus 15x. Here also we'll do the same. 5x square minus 25x plus 12 minus 5x square minus minus becomes plus 25x upon 5x square minus 25. Now here this plus 10x and minus 10x get cancelled. Then plus 15x minus 15x cancel. Here also plus 5x square minus 5x square minus 25x and plus 25. Okay, so we'll get 63 remains as it is. 10x square plus 15x is equal to 12 upon 5x square minus 25x. Okay. Here we'll take 5x common. Here also we can take 5x common. So 63 upon 5x 2x plus 3. 12 upon, if we'll take 5x common here, then 5x, x remains here, minus 5. Okay. Now we'll multiply both the sides by 5x. Okay. Multiply both the sides by 5x. So this 5x gets cancelled and we'll get 63 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to 12 upon x minus 5. I will do the cross multiplication. 63 x minus 5 and 12 into 2x plus 3. This 63 into x, 63x minus 63 5 the 315. 12 into 2x 24x plus 12 3 is a 36. Okay, this 24 becomes minus here, 24x 36, this 315 becomes plus here. Okay, 63x minus 24x is 39x and 30 plus 36 plus 315 is 351. Okay, now x is equal to this 39 divides here 351 upon 39. Okay, it will divide it, then 39 ones are 39 and 39 nines are 351. Okay, so we have got value of x as 9 here. This is the solution of the given equation. Just go through the solution. Okay, I hope everyone understood. In the next lecture, we will solve remaining examples of practice set